Well, summer has officially arrived, but some parents are still looking for the perfect summer school to fit their child's interests. The Buena Vista Museum of Natural History is offering several different summer camp sessions that explore the world of science and history. They're designed especially for 1st through 6th graders, and they start the first week of July. The sessions include Dinosaur Week, Fun with Science, the Weird, the Wild, and Wacky World of Science, Space Week, and then Shark Week. They run Monday through Thursday from 8 until noon. The cost is $85 per weekly session and includes snacks, camp t-shirts, and learning materials. And thanks to a Chevron donation, there are scholarship opportunities as well. For more information, you can call the number on your screen.
Always looking for camp ideas.
No, got to do something with them.
Yes.
Otherwise, it's...
Or else you have to stay at home and try to beat the heat.